These newspaper companies would actually pay you a whooping sum of $2 per word. Yes, $2 per word for every article that you actually give to them to publish on their website. Yes, if you are able to write an article of 700 words right there and submit to them and it gets approved, you get paid $2 per word. That is how much? A whooping sum of $1,400 that you will be paid for every article published. That is massive. In this video, I would not just be showing you these websites that would pay you as much as $2 per word for you to submit articles for them. I would also be showing you how to write these articles and ensure they get accepted by this website. We have real gem in this video. If you are a new subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ensure you like this video because we have so many amazing content that would blow your mind. This first website on our list is called eatingwell.com. Eatingwell.com is a website that can pay you up to $1 per word. So if eventually you are able to write an article of 1,000 words, eatingwell.com would pay you $1,000 if they accept that article that you have actually written. This is mind-blowing. Whether you are an article writer or you are not an article writer, you have an opportunity of making so much money with this website. Remember, I mentioned I was going to give you a website that pays you up to $2 per word. But let's explore eatingwell.com. Now, how sure are you that this website actually pays up to $1 per word? As I have just mentioned, I always tell you, whatever information you receive from anybody online, especially on YouTube, ensure you verify that information before taking that information as legit. How do you actually verify these informations? Remember, on this channel, I've given you videos that can assist you to know website and job offers that are scam. I gave you so many tips on how to detect websites that are scam and also offers online that are not legit. Do well to watch that video. I have the link in the description below for you. So watch that video so you can use those tips to explore these websites that I'll be giving to you, and then you make your decision on which to go to. So how do we verify that eatingwell.com actually pays you $1 per word, as I have just said? All you need to do is head on to Google and ask Google, how much does eatingwell.com pay for articles? And guys, you will see that this website actually pays $1 per word. So it means that if you have an article of 2,000 words, automatically you have earned $2,000. So this information is verified. Do your research and you get to see that eatingwell.com pays you a whooping sum of $1 per word that you actually write. So how do you now come up with articles that you actually want to write on eatingwell.com? First thing first, ensure that you explore the Eatingwell website to see the categories of articles that they have on their website. Study them very well. After studying them, I can now come over to ChatGPT and tell you to do what? Suggest 10 articles I can write about on eatingwell.com. Now I hit enter. Immediately I hit enter, ChatGPT is going to give me 10 different topics that I can actually write about on eatingwell.com. Now remember that while you are actually getting those ideas, compare it with what they usually do on these websites and see what fits this website best. After getting your list of topics, the very next thing that you have to do is to ensure that you actually write out an article of, let's say, 500 words, 2,000 words, 1,500 words on the topic you have chosen. So I can now come over here, select any title. For example, pick this title that says Healthy Meal Prep Idea for Busy Professionals. So after getting the title, I can now come here and say, write a 1,000 word article for this blog post. Healthy Meal Prep Ideas for Busy Professionals, and then hit enter. Immediately, ChatGPT is going to give us an article that we will actually be submitting to eatingwell.com. But it would interest you to know that eatingwell.com does not accept AI generated topics. So definitely if you copy this topic and submit it to them, it will be rejected. So what would you now do? Copy this information and then go over to your document and paste it. Paste. Now you would actually be rewriting this article. What you have just done is to use ChatGPT as a template that you would actually be using to rewrite this article. So you will read through this article one after the other and ensure you rewrite it in your own words so that it will not be dictated as an AI generated content. The reason why we're going to ChatGPT is just to give you an idea on what the structure of the article should look like. After getting this done, it is now time for you to send this article to eatingwell.com for them to review it and publish it, and then you get your money. If it is 1,000 words, you get your $1,000 straight up into your PayPal account. But first, you have to verify that this article is 100% clean. There is actually a tool that will be used to check your article if it is 100% free from plagiarism. Now, what is plagiarism? Plagiarism basically is the act of you copying other people's content and using it as your own. So they do not want you to copy anything from anywhere on any website. You must ensure that this article is your article. So how can you verify that? That verification can actually be done on this tool that is called Small SEO Tools Plagiarism Checker. So what this tool does basically is any article that you actually want to verify if it is genuine, if it is unique, you put that article on this website. It is going to tell you if that article is actually 100% unique. If that article is copied from anywhere on the internet, this content will show you exactly where that article is copied from. And then you would actually know that your article will not be accepted on eatingwell.com. So what are we going to do? We'll come over to the document that you have rewritten. Make sure you rewrite this document to ensure that it is unique. Then before you submit to eatingwell.com, come over to Plagiarism Checker. Over here, copy and paste this here, and then click on Check Plagiarism. So while you click on Check Plagiarism, it's going to ask you for some verifications. Ensure you put in those verifications, and then the plagiarism checker begins to do its job. So it is now running a check through this article to see if it is 100% unique. Please, as you see here, it is 90% unique. If at the end of the day, they see that there is 1% plagiarism or plagiarized article here, automatically I assure you that eatingwell.com is going to reject your article, and you know exactly what that will mean for you. So as you see, we have gotten to 47%, and this article is 47% unique. And as you see, this article is 4% plagiarized. Aha! Don't worry. We are going to see where that plagiarism is coming from shortly. So guys, as you see that the plagiarism checker have finished checking these articles, and you can see that it says 9% of the articles is copied from somewhere. For example, this statement that is called create a shopping list based on your meal plan to ensure you have all necessary ingredients. This is to tell you that ChatGPT also gets information from other people's websites. Now, if you click here, you are going to see exactly where that information was copied from. If you click on this link, it will take you straight up to the blog post where that phrase was gotten from. So this is a pro tip I'm giving to you as to reasons why your articles may not be accepted on these websites I will be showing you. Remember, I have 2 more websites to show you apart from eatingwell.com. Website that will actually earn you as high as $2 per word. This one I'm showing you is just $1 per word. The ones that I will show you now will earn you as much as $2 per word. So what have you actually achieved in this short time? First thing first, ensure that you use ChatGPT to generate your ideas, and ensure you use ChatGPT to generate a write-up. Put that write-up on a notepad and ensure that you rewrite this article word for word. After doing that, use this plagiarism checker tool to ensure that it is 100% unique, free from plagiarism. Once you have done that, then you are now ready to submit your article to eatingwell.com. Now, each article that are submitted on eatingwell.com is called a pitch. Each of those articles is called a pitch. So what would you be doing? You are now going to send this your pitch to this email, pitches@eatingwell.com, theprep@eatingwell.com. So these emails are emails that will review your article, and then they reply your email telling you that your article is complete. Ensure you follow the guidelines that I have given to you on how to submit articles on eatingwell.com. Remember, I said I was going to show you another website that pays you $2 per word. But before I show you that website that pays you $2 per word, do you appreciate this mind-blowing content I'm showing you as to how you can make legal money on the internet? Oh yeah, time has come. Subscribe to this channel. I am leaving no stone unturned. Some persons will just show you these things without giving you a guide as to how you should be successful on it. But I'm showing you, and I'm also giving you a guide on how you can be successful on it. Oh yeah, tell me thank you. Say thank you in the comment section below, and say thank you by hitting the like button on this video. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. And ensure you hit that subscribe button so as to get more mind-blowing, amazing content from this channel. Now I'm going to be showing you this website that will pay you as much as $2 per word. But before that, see this other website that will pay you $1 per word, just like eatingwell.com. This website is no other than the website called popularscience.com. So Popular Science is a website basically that writes about technology, environment, science, and the rest of them. This website pays you as much as $1.12 per word. Now imagine you're able to write an article of 1,000 words and it gets approved. You would be able to get over $1,000 as it were. This is mind-blowing. As you can see from this tip, you can submit your story on editorial@popsci.com, but you are recommended not to send a complete article. Instead, submit only queries. So just like we did on eatingwell.com, create an email and send the queries of your article on this website so they can review your article and then pay you this much per word, as it were. Remember, any information that is given to you, ensure you verify. I've shown you how to verify right here in this video. Go over and look out for content about this website, and then you will see that we are giving you mind-blowing value. And now we come to the point where I'll be showing you the mind-blowing website that pays as much as $2 per word. This website is called AARPthemagazine.com. So AARP the magazine is actually a website that actually writes content about health, money, work and jobs, social security, medical care, caregiving, games, and the rest of them. So just as I have mentioned or showed you details on how to publish articles on these other websites, you can actually publish articles on this website. And as you can see here, you can get paid up to $2 per word, as it were, on this website. So even if you write an article of $1,000 on this website, there is a very high potential that you can get paid as much as $2,000 for that 1,000 words article that you have written. Do you appreciate this mind-blowing information I'm giving to you on how you can make legal money on the internet? Please, emphasis on that word, legal. If you appreciate it, go to the comment section below and say thank you for revealing this information to us. As you know, this channel is the only channel that gives you mind-blowing tips on how you can make legal money on the internet. Explore these 3 websites that I've just given to you: eatingwell.com, popularscience.com, and AARPmagazines.com. I have just given you basic information on how to make this money. Go online and make your research about this and see how genuine they are, and you will thank me later. There are so many other suggested videos that will pop on your screen right now. Ensure you watch those videos so you can see exactly how to make more money legally on the internet. I will see you in our very next video.